Well, here's my Columbia 2. It's a 1983 or 84. The tag is missing. I've done videos of this before. This is a nice Casablanca here, but I'm taking it down because I have found a K60. Where did I stick that thing? The K63 Columbia 2. So there it is. So I have to get rid of it. I'm not getting rid of this, I'm just taking it down and putting up the K63. But anyway, I'm going to do a video of it with just two blades. It ought to be kind of fun. And I hope you all enjoy it. This is the lowest setting on Silver Quiet. It goes quite slow. The original, this is patterned after a ceiling fan from the early 1900s. I think it was made by Emerson. And those original fans that had this style only had two blades. So I thought that was kind of neat to do a two-blade video. It's quite a nice slow low. Let's kick it up a few notches. Another dial on the Silver Quiet here. Pick it up a little faster. A little further. Let's click it up a little more. Kick it up. There we go. How about two more? Let's get a little more. Get it almost to high. And then one more bump to full high here. There you go. Now I'm going to spin down on it if the battery holds out here. Spin down. Now let's do a direct power up to high from off. And that's a wrap.